Today I will show you how to set up the Berg dual system. First, once you buy your system, you will have 2 hose assemblies, 2 caps, a T-fitting, an elbow fitting, 2 male couplers, and 2 rolls of Teflon tape. So first, let's wrap our male fittings in the Teflon tape. You want to cover the top or you will mess with the flow of the fuel. Now, once those are wrapped, you want to take the cap and twist the elbow fitting in as far as you can with your hand and tighten it with the 11/16 wrench. With both caps. Then you'll want to put the T-fitting in the gas tank. Try not to cross-thread it. Twist it in with your hand and tighten it with the 9/16 wrench. You'll want to tighten it just till there's about 2 threads, one at most sticking out of the drop tube, otherwise it will break out the back. Next, you can apply your hose. And once you got those in, we're going to put the caps on the generator. Okay, and now I'm going to put in the male coupler.